Oh shit, मेरा नाखून लग गया. Hello people of the internet, my name is Tumpa and welcome back to my channel. And आज मैं बना रही हूँ एक review video on two eyeshadow palettes and they are from MakeupRevolution and these are the reloaded version. So one is Velvet Rose and the other one is Iconic Division. I got these from hawkmakeup.com. Also the lipstick I'm wearing is from Blue Heaven Splash and this is the shade Plum Desire. I thought it is better to mention it in the video because later on when people ask me तो बहुत मुश्किल होता है याद करना कि यार कौन सी लिपस्टिक लगाई थी बिकॉज आई हैव सो मैनी ऑफ ए वीडियो में देख के ना थोड़ा कंफ्यूजन हो जाता है कौन सा शेड है. सो या दिस इज ब्लू हेवन स्प्लैश प्लम डिजायर. आई मेकअप आई हैव यूज्ड another Makeup Revolution palette, Redemption something. You will get the links to these products in the description box below. So I'll try to make the video as short as possible. So let's start with the first palette. And yes, if you are new to my channel then please subscribe and hit the bell icon. So yeah, so this is like a very nice brown neutral shadows and I've already used it quite a few times in last 2-3 weeks. Also this one is for highlighting. This one is like a more glitter eyeshadow. So you have glitter, you have contour shade, you have transition shade, you have black for smoky eyes. So it's a complete palette. So let's start with the swatches. I'll show you the swatches on my hand. चंकी नहीं है बिल्कुल भी. एंड सी दिस वन यू कैन ऑल्सो यूज इट लाइक अ हाईलाइटर. तो ये ग्लिटर शेड है और ये बहुत ही अच्छे से स्मज आउट भी हो जाता है. आई एम really impressed with the quality and let's go ahead with the other swatches. अब मेरे पास शायद जगह खत्म हो रही है. एक डस्टी रोज टाइप का है ये. फेयर कॉम्प्लेक्शन पे एज अ ट्रांजिशन शेड बहुत ही अच्छा लगेगा. पॉपिंग गोल्ड. Like I said, the quality is amazing. The swatches are really pigmented. There is very less fallout. The quality is amazing. I think it's totally worth the price. So yeah, these were the swatches for the eyeshadow palette Velvet Rose, which I got from Hawk Makeup. And let's go ahead and see the next palette. Alright, so the next palette is Iconic Division and this is again from Revolution Reloaded. और ये वाला is again a beautiful palette and it has some very unique shades like this, you know, olive green. So this is like a black and green mix. By the way, this is a dupe, not fake, but a dupe of Anastasia Subculture palette. MakeupRevolution, it's a good brand. If you can't afford Anastasia the Subculture palette, which is of course expensive, you can buy this one. Almost similar to, you know, each other. Almost exactly same ही है. And MakeupRevolution जैसा कि मैंने आपने पिछले swatches में देखा, क्वालिटी वाइज वेरी लेस फॉल आउट, हाई पिगमेंटेशन. तो मैं इसका कोई रिव्यू नहीं करूँगी और मैं सीधा बस आपको स्वैचेस दिखाने वाली हूँ अब. तो लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड. So basically you get brown shades, some green, olive, black, this light green. So there are only two shimmer shades here. बाकी सारे shades matte है. और हाँ, ये holographic एक shade है, ये भी थोड़ा सा शाइनिंग है बट बहुत ही सटल। बेसिकली 3 शिमर शेड्स हैं जिसमें से एक थोड़ा ग्लिटर है और बाकी सारे मैट शेड्स हैं। एंड द लास्ट शेड इज दिस। Alright, so these are the swatches for the Iconic Division palette. I hope you guys enjoyed the swatches for these 2 palettes. So thank you for watching once again. Please subscribe to my channel, share my video, leave a comment below, and I shall see you soon again. Bye bye.